Today we have the Lenovo X15 Pro Earphones, and we're going to do a quick review because I had made 2 other videos about these products. Right now these are only for sale on TikTok. I don't think they're out on Amazon or the Lenovo website. They're only exclusive to TikTok right now. Alright, I'll show you how to connect these. Make sure your Bluetooth is on for iOS or Android. Get the headphones out of the case, and in your settings you should see Lenovo Thinkplus X15 Pro, and boom, you're connected. Now I'll show you how to connect to your other devices, but you do have to turn off Bluetooth from your other devices or they're going to keep getting detected from your main source. And now you should see a new icon, Lenovo Thinkplus X15 Pros. So these are super easy to pair. I just had a bunch of comments in last video saying how to pair to other devices. Well, there you go. Alright, now let's talk about the touch control features. With one click is pause and play. So double tap is increasing the volume. On the left ear cup is decreasing the volume. Triple tapping it is skipping the song. But in the left ear cup, it's the previous song. The magnets on these headphones are better than normal headphones out there. And using these in the gym are great to use with working out with friends because they're not insulated in your ear. You can still hear the outside world and still talk to your friends without having to take out these headphones. Now you can use these as headsets for phone calls. You do need Bluetooth for sure to connect these. If you're connecting on your phone or PC, the ear hooks are made out of plastic and the headphones have a center waterproof function. Okay, let's compare these 2 types of headphones. So first, looking at these, you guys could see there's a big difference in between both of these headphones, which one of them has an ear tip that goes inside your ear, and the Lenovo's just shoot music right through your ears. They're like over the ear headphones, basically, without the whole headphone, you know what I mean? These are perfect prime example right here with the Beats by Dre. So let's say if you had full volume on the Lenovo Thinkpluses, someone next to you would definitely hear the music. You know, these headphones are probably the best headphones for people that don't like traditional headphones, earbuds, you know. These are really perfect because they don't sit inside your ear like a normal headphone would.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.